Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to a place very close, not very far, just 15 kilometers away from my home. This is still running in period. I am not pushing this bike too much. You need to stay in limits, in speed limits, and also drive safely. So always wear your gear while riding. One very nice thing that I like about this bike is the suspension is really well thought of. No matter what kind of road you will drive this on, the ride will be super comfortable. You won't feel any bumps, you won't feel any speed breaker, you won't feel any jerk, and the power is just amazing. I am just surprised by how well Hero have made this bike, and that bassy exhaust is another reason for me to fall in love. Second gear exhaust is just I just love it. Wow, the bike sound is just lovely. I'm going through the Hinjawadi phase 1 area right now, and that's the Wipro circle coming up. We gotta go past that. We will be taking the Man Road. So just go straight from the Wipro circle. It's nothing confusing. It's a beautiful day. It's morning, 7:50 a.m. Hinjawadi has grown so much in the past few years. The real estate is just another level. Before few years there was nothing. It was absolutely plain land. So we'll take around 22 minutes to reach there. I don't know why it's showing traffic there, but we are kind of going on the outskirts of Hinjawadi. So we are going to a place called Rihegao Dam, and I've never been there. It's my first time, so let's see how it goes. I mean, perfect for a morning ride, you can say. Oh, I love the rumble. As always, I drive slow. I don't want to speed up and get into trouble, so I just keep my speed slow. Only if I see that there is a 100% possibility, then only I overtake that. But other times I just stay behind. And also the road which is on the side is kind of slippery. It looks slippery. I don't want to go there, so I'll just stay in the dry patch, stay eyes on the road. See, that is what I was talking about. That tempo went aside, I just found a way to go ahead. I immediately took that chance, and here we are. There are no vibrations, which I like it. I don't know how much of it is it's coming inside the helmet. I have the visor closed, and I am right now using Sony ECM LV1 mic. It's a stereo mic with 2 inputs. The view ahead is just amazing. So while coming back, we will get a nice from the top view. Look at that mountain. It's beautiful. So the good part starts now. Because there is construction, I'm trying slow here. And also the road is not in a good condition. The torque this machine has is just amazing. I mean, even on a difficult road or a very slopey road, uphill road, you can easily just ride it. Wow. So in terms of safety, it has ABS. It's a good road. Look at the view. Wow. So we are not very far. In just 10 minutes we will reach there. Also, how do you like the angle? Guys, let me know in the comments. I'm just enjoying the view. So won't speak much now. Just enjoy the ride. Look at that mountain, fully covered in fog. So we have to take a right here. Seven minutes. So from the road, it's around 3.5 kilometers inside. Beautiful. That is beautiful. This road is also beautiful. So the thing is, if you enjoy the ride, it's worth it. It's worth it. Everything is worth it. The view is just beautiful. Now we are just 1.5 kilometers away. Wow. The clouds on the top of the mountains. Let's do some off-roading. So there, I mean, people do come here in the evening. So guys, there are multiple parking spots when you come here. There is one here, there is one there, and right when you walk a few steps, you will see this 2 steps. So let's just go there and explore. We will be back in a bit. It won't take a lot of time. So from here you can go there and then go at the bottom of the dam, and at the top is this view. So I won't go farther. That's all. It's great. It's amazing. So guys, it's time to go back. It's morning, so there's no one here. It's pretty quiet and calm. So this bike has got a certain heft to it, and I like it. Especially on the highways, it's slanted. So I'm not using GPS, as you can see, so I'll just retrace my way back, just enjoy the back ride. Have a good day. So it's beautiful. The morning weather is just on another level. I'm digging this view. Loving it. So the good thing about this bike is when you need that power, you have it. Just pull the throttle and there you go. Now that the outskirts are ending, I'll stop this video and see you all on YouTube and sometime. Thank you. Enjoy the day.